Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Unity Hub on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Unity Hub on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Unity, since there's where we can download their Unity app. So just go and search this. And after searching, you will now be directed to the official website of Unity. So to download the Unity app on this website, just click this Download Unity button right here. And after clicking it, you will then be directed to the downloading page of Unity, so just click the download button once again. And after that, your Unity will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to agree to their terms and service policy. And then your system will show you the location where your Unity's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there it is guys, you will now have your Unity. So now that you have your Unity, next, you will just need to sign in or create your Unity account in order to use it. In my case, I will create an account just for demonstration. So to create an account, you just need to fill all this information such as your email, username, and the password that you want. And once you're done filling your information, just check all the boxes right here to agree to their terms of service policy. And after that, you can now click the Create button. And then Unity will send you a confirmation email in order to verify your account. So just open the email that you used to create your Unity account. And once you're on email, you will now see the confirmation email that Unity sent you. So just go and open it. And then just click this link to confirm email. Then right here, you just need to complete the CAPTCHA. And after completing, you can now click the Verify button. And after clicking it, it's done. Your Unity account will now be created, so you can now start logging it in. And after signing into your account, Unity will show you the Install Unity Editor window. It's really important to install the Unity Editor guys, because it's the main tool you'll use to create and manage your projects. The Unity Editor lets you build, test, and customize your games or apps. Without it, you won't be able to start any project. After that, your Unity Editor will start installing. Just wait for it to finish, and once it's done, you will be able to start using Unity to create and manage your projects. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.